Hi, welcome back, guys. Hope you guys did good on your assignment yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and be going over the questions here with you guys. There was 4 questions, so let's go ahead and get started. It says if the two shorter sides of a triangle measure 12 centimeters and 18 centimeters, it says the two shorter sides. Which of the following could be the length of the longest side of a triangle? Well, first of all, if these two are the shortest sides, then we know that these have to be longer. So we could get rid of 11 because 11 is shorter than 12, and you're looking for the longest side of the triangle. And you can also get rid of B because it says 17 centimeters and that is shorter than 18. It's all about the reading, remember. Now, remember what we said. The two sides added together have to be larger than the third side. So if we add 12 plus 18, that gives us 8, 9, 10, 0, 30. That gives us 30. Would that be the answer? Why or why not? Think about it. The reason why it is not the answer is because if you remember, this has to be larger. Okay? So it cannot be the equal. So that would be a common mistake. So be very careful with that, okay? That is not the answer. The only reason I checked it because it was, or circled it, is because that's the most common mistake. Be very, very careful. Remember, they have to add up and they have to be larger than the third side. So the only one that's larger than, or smaller than the 30 is C. Okay? That would be the answer. So be real careful. Just because you added it doesn't mean that's the answer, see? So be very careful. Remember, that has to be larger, okay? So it works. This is larger than 27, and 27 by itself is bigger than these. Okay? Take a look at number 2. Which of the following lengths can be the sides of a triangle? Again, remember, any two sides have to be larger than the third side. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and try each one. So if we add 90 plus 32, we can do this. F, G, H, and J. If we add 90 plus 32, is that bigger than 127? That's 2, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is not larger, so I can get rid of F. Okay, I'm just trying to see the ones that are very obvious. This looks a little bit, let's see. 30 plus 19, is that bigger than 50? 3, 4, it is not bigger than 50. So I can get rid of that one, right? Okay. This one right here, let's see if it's bigger than 83. That's G. 50 plus 33, ooh, that's equal to. So remember, it has to be greater, okay? It has to be greater. Now let's take a look at H. Let's see. I know that these two will be greater than 16. And I know that these two will be greater than 30. But is 30 plus 16 greater than 44? Let's see. 30 plus 16, that'd be 6. That is greater than 44. Woohoo! So this is out, and H is our answer. So kind of take a look at the obvious ones. I could tell this one was probably not going to be bigger than that one. I could tell that this one, these two added together probably wouldn't be bigger than those. And these two are equal. It has to be greater. Okay? Be very careful with that. 3. A triangle has two angles that have measures 76 degrees and 71 degrees. What is the measure of the third angle? So we know that the sum of all three angles in a triangle are total of 180 degrees. Okay, so far I have used 76 and 71. So that would be 7, that would be 14, 147. That's how much I've used up. I've used 147, but how much more do I need to get to 180? So I'm gonna go ahead and subtract RO. That would give me 3. 7 minus 4 is 3, and of course 0. So this is how much is left for the third angle, 33 degrees. Ta-da! Okay. And then last but not least, number 4. The three angles of a triangle measure 70, 60, and 50. Which statement about the triangle is true? Okay, so remember we said the smallest angle is opposite of the smallest side. So I know that this one here will be the smallest. And the largest angle is opposite of the largest side. So this is going to be the largest. And this is the medium. Okay? So, is it true that the shortest side of a triangle will be opposite of the angle that measures 50? Shortest side? That'd be true. Is it true that the longest side of the triangle will be opposite of the angle that measures 60 degrees? Oh, no, we said medium. That would be false. The shortest side of the triangle will be opposite of the angle that measures 70. No, we said that was the largest. So that is false. And then the mid size of a triangle will be opposite of the angle that measures 70. Again, no. We said that one was the largest. So my answer is letter F. Okay? Hope you guys are doing good.